Welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'll be day trading futures today, the NQ. Today is Friday, September 19th. The market's going to be open in just about 2 minutes. So I'm just looking for reversal setups, momentum continuation setups, flag patterns. Just my main go-to setups, nice, simple strategy. Just being patient, waiting for the good setups. I've got this evaluation account right here, almost to the funded phase, 52,273. I got a new one ready to get started working towards also, so that after this one is funded, I can start working on this one. But just going to be patient today, wait for some good setups. Check out my other videos from the last several days. I've been doing a lot of these videos. Give me some feedback in the comments below. Let me know if you like these videos. That way I know whether to keep, putting the effort into making these or not. And if you're not already, subscribe to the channel. Go ahead and do that. Market just opened, so let's see what we get today. Alright, going to try to get a little long here. See if I can get 10 points. Push up back towards the top of that range there. Looked like some buyers were stepping in pretty heavy right here, giving us a nice push. There we go. Nice trade to start the day. 10 minutes into market open. That's always good. Alright, I'm going to go for a quick short here. Try to grab 10 points. Stopped out for just a tiny little gain. 52,519 so far. It's looking weak. I'm taking a short. Alright, come on. See if we can get this 10 points. 2 contracts short. Just betting against this bull flag, which it looks like it's failing now. So that worked out pretty good so far. Let's see. There we go. Profit target hit. 534 in profits so far today. The market's been open for about 39 minutes. Kind of peaked out right there on the 15. So I think we'll come back down to yesterday's close at some point today. That's what I'm thinking. So I'm going to go short with one contract. I'm going to put my profit target just right down here at the middle of the range, or almost the middle of the range. That should give me plenty to get this account funded, and I'm just going to be patient with it because we're definitely not seeing any strength on the 5. The 15 looks like it's getting rejected, so I'm just going to be patient with this short right here. Here we go, here we go. Just a little bit more. Almost enough. Let's see. That should be good. Alright, that account is funded. $53,010. I didn't need to wait until it hit my profit target there because I only needed to make sure I was over $53,000 after that trade was closed. So now that account's funded, so now I can start working towards this other one, this fresh account down here at the bottom. It's still at 50,000 even. So that's another Apex evaluation account. So I'm going to start working towards that. Alright, let's see if we can get a 10-point pop back to the upside right here. See if the next one can. If this one doesn't. We're getting there, we're getting there. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going. Push it, push it. Oh, it almost hit my target. Keep going, keep going. 8 points. Give me a couple more points, come on. There we go, 10 points. So as of right now, this brand new 50K evaluation accounts, 196 in the profits after commissions. From here, based on that, the way that 15-minute chart right there looks, I'm going to take a quick short. I'm going to have a negative reward to risk ratio here, but I think I'm playing it pretty safe here. I think maybe we can get 10 points down before we go all the way up there. So
you stay out. It is not commonplace. I have seen obedience create fortunes in silence. A man buys, he holds.
Alright, I'm going to add one more contract here, see what we get.
Others laugh at him.
2 contracts short, betting on us going back down to the middle of that opening 15-minute range.
It does not need a story. It does not need excuses. It is there in the price, in the tape, plain for anyone.
Come on, give me a quick drop down, quick drop down.
It is rewarded not only with profit, but with the calmness that comes from knowing he is following reality, not fantasy. Would you rather be deceived by stories?
Let's see, if we get that drop down, I'm betting we go at least to there.
When the trend is up, prices rise steadily. Developers debating reasons. They sit in the broker's office
Right below that wick. Come on.
Building arguments. They convince one another that a stock must behave in a certain way. And then the tape moves.
Bulls have to be sweating right here. I know their stop losses are down there. 27 points. Come on.
But the market is never wrong. The market is always right.
Come on, take that wick out.
The opinion that is mistaken.
Alright, there we go. I took it off like a point or two early. I got 25 or 26 points out of that.
Because they would rather defend
This week I've had several trades where my profit target was within 1 to 2 points of being hit when it was, 20 or 30 points in the profits. And then it went against me and I got out for just a tiny little profit, or it ended up being a losing trade. So I took that off, and it looks like we still haven't taken that wick out. I think we will, but first day on this evaluation account here, and it's already up to 51,200. 2 trades on that one. It's already up $1,200 on the day. There we go. I think we're just about to take that wick out, but 1 or 2 points, I'm not sweating that. Alright, strong momentum to the downside. Let's see if we get this 10 points here. Strong momentum to the downside.
The gulls are noisy, but the compass tells the truth.
Okay, we still could drop a little bit. Retrace some of that wick on the 5 there, but I've got to really manage my risk here just in case. So maybe we took out some stops here from below this low back here. Those stops pushed us up real quick. Maybe that was the only push up from that we'll get. Maybe we can keep dropping here. I'm going to drop my stop loss there because I'm not so sure about this trade now. I think we could drop a little bit more, but we could also pop back up because we're at the bottom of this descending range right here. So we could pop back up. Really, I should probably be going long here.
They cannot sit idle, so they let the noise whip them about until their accounts are bled dry.
All right. Yeah, that's what I was afraid of. Got stopped out there. I was afraid of. Lost a few hundred on that one. Popped it back up from there. I don't think we'll go up too much. I think this range will stay pretty tight. We might keep respecting that trend line there. I'm not sure what just got announced or what happened, but that was a pretty strong push to the upside. Still 1,400 in the profits on the day between these 2 accounts, so that's not bad. But come on, give me a 10-point drop down to that level. There we go. Come on, push us on down. Push us on down. Can we go through the gap? Come on there. Can we go through it? We got into the gap a little bit there. Yeah. Better just keep my stop there to play it safe. There we go. Pushed right through it. That's what I was expecting. Alright. So that got me back up to about $899.50 on that new evaluation account. So I think I'm going to be done for the day. Unless I just see an amazing opportunity to trade back to the upside or something. But as far as this video goes, I think I'm done for the day. I'll be back Monday with another video. Comment if you like these videos. If I don't get some feedback pretty soon, I probably won't keep making these. I might just do one once in a while, but if I get some good feedback and people seem to like them, then I'll keep making them every day that I trade, Monday through Friday. So just let me know. Hopefully this, helps you out with your trading journey. I'm just going to keep passing these evals and stacking some funded accounts, and then I'll be able to do a video with me trading multiple funded accounts and show you what's possible with these prop firms. So subscribe to the channel, stay up to date with all my short videos, like my crypto updates, and then where I edit these videos into short form. Stay up to date on all that. Subscribe to the channel. Until the next video, peace out.